So today's video is on changing a headlight on a 2013 Ford Focus. I'm going to change the lights from the stock yellow to and brighter lights. Superstar H11s. Got it from Oreillys. You're supposed to fit right in. Let's see how it works out. Alright, so right here I grabbed a 6-point star, took the screws off from here. What attaches this? It has one screw right here and it has another screw right here, and they look like this. So now that you have those off, this whole light assembly comes out, which makes it easy to change the light. Let's see. Here goes the headlight. It's the headlight right there I need to change. My low beam. Hopefully that's not too hot. When you twist it to the left, it comes right out. You see that? Let's see, it's broken. All right. Now you can't touch the new light bulbs with your bare fingers because the oil and everything gets on it, and with the heat they can explode, break. They won't last you long, so just don't touch them with your bare fingers. Touch them by the back. Use a sock if you have to. Trim very carefully. Put it in there, then twist it to the right. And put the clip back at the end. Alright, so let's check if it works. Okay, so then I turned it on. I don't know, they kind of both seem kind of yellow, but the new one seems less yellow than this old stock one. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Maybe I can wait. If I put my brightness down, you can kind of see that the right one over here, the right one, it's a lot yellow compared to the new one. But I was expecting this one to be pure white, but I guess you can get LED effects with these kind of bulbs. Are they brighter? Yeah, they're slightly brighter. Slightly less yellow. Let's switch to the next one. for the other side. Do the same thing. That's it. Throw away your old bulbs. Keep your baby sock. Everything looking good. Headlight secured. Don't forget to put the little rubber thing back in the back of the headlight where you took the light bulb out from, or you will have to take the whole assembly out again just to put that on there. Okay, let's go look at them. There you go. I do like them. I do like them. They look nice. They look almost like brand new. Need to get some LEDs in here though. That'd be amazing.